15 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear, the 30s. Monday night and Tuesday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. Highs in the slight chance of rain showers. Highs in the mid-40s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Here's a look at weather conditions at 10 a.m. Wichita was partly sunny. The temperature was 35 and the relative humidity was 85%. Winds were northwest at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.46 and rising. Wind field was partly sunny. The temperature was 36 and the relative humidity was 85%. Winds were northwest at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.48 and rising. Hutchinson was sunny. The temperature was 37 and the relative humidity was 82%. Winds were northwest at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.45 and rising. Elsewhere around the region, Newton was 36 and cloudy. Wellington was 35 and cloudy. Medicine Lodge was 39. Enid was 42 and mostly sunny. Ponca City was 37 and cloudy. Oklahoma City was 41 and mostly sunny. Dodge City was 43 and mostly sunny. Winds were northward gusts to 23. Salina was 36 and sunny. Emporia was...
Alright, good morning, good morning, Hutchinson.
The Wichita Eisenhower National
time for the official
The record high is 75 degrees, which was set in 1934. Yesterday's low temperature was 30 degrees. This low was 6 degrees above the normal low of 24. The record low is -7 degrees, which was last set in 1989. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.00 inches. This is 0.10 inches below the normal amount of 0.10 inches for February. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 1.23 inches, which is 0.28 inches above normal. Snow fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.0 inches. This is 0.4 inches below the normal amount of 0.4 inches for February. The total snowfall since July 1st still stands at 6.8 inches, which is 0.4 inches below normal. The normal...
Oh, here we go.
Wichita has just activated the warning alarm tone on weather radio station WXK92, KEC 59, WWH22, WXK95, Receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm tone will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties across central, south central, and southeast Kansas: Allen, Barber, Martin, Bourbon, Butler, Chase, Chautauqua, Cherokee, Cowley, Crawford, Elk, Ellsworth, Greenwood, Harper, Harvey, Kingman, Labette, Lincoln, Marion, McPherson, Montgomery, Neosho, Pawnee, Craig, Reno, Bryce, Rush, Russell, Saline, Sedgwick, Stafford, Sumner, Wilson, and Woodson. And in northern Oklahoma: Alfalfa, Grant, and Woods. Once again, the National Weather Service has just conducted a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm tone. We now return to the recorded program. The Wichita Eisenhower National Climate Summary for yesterday, February...
All right, well, all of the weather radios went off at the time. The 12-2 went off. Both WR120 went off, including WC 2511, the WR100, and the ER310. So, all right, everyone. Well, that will include today's required weekly test for the NOAA weather radio, all hazards. So, see you all later. Bye.